Welcome to the Honolulu Zoning Ordinance Search Tool. When you get to this web page, the first thing you're going to have to do is click on this close button in the splash screen. And on your left-hand side, if you notice in the legend, it gives you information on UA points or unilateral agreement zoning amendment points and zoning ordinance types. If you click on the Details tab, in a contextual layout, it'll give you information regarding the zoning. If you click on this blue link here, it'll take you to the city clerk's office. You can look up ordinances if you know the year. You can scroll down, say 2014. Then you can go to where it says Ordinance or Ordinances. Click on that, and if you know the ordinance number, you can click on the ordinance number and it'll pull up the PDF for you. If we continue on with this interface, you can zoom in, and if you notice when you zoom in, all kinds of other information pops up, and it also changes what's in the legend. So you notice zoning height limit popped in, special district popped in. If you continue further on, you'll notice tax parcel popped in. If you click on the home button, you'll get pulled back to where you were or where you started off at. Minus, of course, is zoom out. You can also search. You can type in your ordinance number, 200, and you notice there's a pick list that drops down. If you click on the number, the zoning ordinance, you'll be taken to the zoning ordinance point. So in this pop-up window, there's a whole bunch of information. If you click here for a zoning ordinance map, the PDF map will pop up and you can print that out. You can also search by address. Click on address, delete that. We can go to 650 South King, and there we are. If we click on home again, we need to delete the search so the dot disappears. So if we zoom into an area and we click on, say, that zoning ordinance amendment point, you notice there are multiple pop-ups that come up. This is one of 4. You can scroll through. Close that. You can also change your base maps. In this case, let's go with imagery. Satellite image pops up behind the other image or the other data. Switch it back to city and county base map. Click that off. You can also make some measurements here. You can find areas. Click once. Start drawing your polygon. Double click. Finish. If you need to have another unit besides square miles, you can use the drop-down menu and it'll calculate to whatever area you need. You can also find distance. Click once, set your point, click again, and you have your mileage. Again, you can convert to any other units. Close that. There's some layers that aren't turned on. So you can turn on your zoning Ohana unit, SMA, zoning map index, so now we can turn those off again. I'll leave special district. Click on the layers button. You can also click and print maps. So for this, you can put in a map title, MAP1, add your legend, hit print. This may take a while depending on connection. Hit print out when it's available. And here's the zoning land use ordinance information in that area that you were at. Close that. And that is pretty much it for the Honolulu zoning ordinances search tool. Thank you for looking at it. Have a good day.